Molly Malone's Roadhouse Classic Car Show, 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. 5th of September 2020.
Why is this beautiful Mercury on the right? It's a restoration that we've started at my company, which is Titan Performances. It's located in Spartan Kempton Park. We specialize in classic restorations, custom rebuilds, hypercars, supercars, all that kind of stuff. And this is one of our started projects. And I'm giving it a nice little run today because we've got the engine running.
It came out of the factory 29th of September 1978 and went down to Cape Town to a business called Fredman Motors as a dem car. It was bought by Dr. Henschel down there. It must have come up to Joburg and traded it in, and I bought it in July 1980 for the princely sum of 17,400 Rand plus 4% GST.
There are a few though that get a special notice and a special thanks, and we would like the owners of those vehicles to please come forward and collect a little prize on behalf of Molly Malone's. And first of all, who is the owner of the Valiant? The Valiant, give him a round of applause, guys. Some amazing cars there. The owner of the Valiant, please come to the stage. I say stage, yeah, where I am, and come and collect a little gift from Molly Malone's. And along with that, we also got the Chev Impala. Is it Impala or Impla? I thought it's Impala. It says Impla, but don't worry, I also can't read. Right, the Chev Impala as well. You also come forward and collect yourself a nice little gift from Molly Malone's. The BMW 733i. I've got a feeling it's that one over there. Well done, you guys. And then there's a Zetma. I don't know what that is. Unless it's spelled the wrong way around. It isn't perhaps a Zephyr. It's not a Zephyr, is it? Zephyr, I'm sure it's a Zephyr. But anyway, the owner of the Zephyr, please come forward as well. You'll collect a nice little gift from Molly Malone's. And then the VW camper van, man. I hope you don't have a lot of sweets in the back of that van. Oh, there's a 733. Once again, on behalf of Molly Malone's, everybody, thank you. Those of you that brought your vehicles here. Herbie. No, but hang on, Herbie's number 53. Am I right? Herbie's 50. Yeah, you are right. Sorry, generation gap. Right, I think that must. And there's one more.